Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I recently sat down with a blank canvas with no idea of what the outcome would be. I chose some of my old paints that I've had kicking around the house for a while and I just wanted to use up. I decided to pick a few items out of my kitchen drawer and use them. And I just started adding paint here and there, just to see what it would look like. I always thought if I screwed up, I could just paint over it. But the more I added, the more it started to look like a flowery image, and so I just went with it. I even decided to use this old barbecue brush that I found at the back of the drawer. I wasn't sure how that would turn out, but I actually really liked it once I got to the end of the painting. I'm glad I had a few different greens to use because there's a lot of different stems and leaves that have to go on a flower painting. So I dug out all the old ones, like I said, and I used up a lot of old paint this way. It was kind of fun. Some of the flowers I honestly made up in my head as I went along, but I had a lot of fun doing it. So some of these flowers may not even exist in the world, and that's okay. Sometimes you just have to be creative, right? I'm just going to let you watch the process of putting all the paint on, all the colors, and all the designs of flowers. And I'll come back at the end and see what you think. It was looking pretty good at this point, but I had a lot of empty spaces in between. So I just wanted to add a few extra little flower buds here and there. I think I emptied out quite a few old tubes of paint, which I was really happy with. But I still have a few kicking around. Oh well, I'll have to paint another picture, I guess. Well, it's no Picasso, but I had fun. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for coming by.